I'm Shashank. I'm from Cambridge Institute of Technology. I graduated in the year 2021 and joined the JSpiders in the month of June. And recently I got placed in a company called Tibble Solutions. When I joined JSpiders, I didn't have any basic knowledge of Java or coding and all. Then JSpiders made me learn everything. For that, I would like to thank all the faculties, especially Anupama ma'am, Rahul sir, Akshay sir, Pooja ma'am, and Navya ma'am, Salman sir, all of them. And also I would like to thank HRs for providing requirements. Few of the HRs like Shivu sir, Harish sir, Pooja ma'am, Priya ma'am. And here the presentations and grooming classes help everybody a lot for getting them placed. Please do attend them. And also I would like to recommend my friends to join JSpiders and learn the technical skills, whatever they need.